All right, y'all. One of my most painful losses. It hurt a lot, but it was a good loss, a great loss. It wasn't um me like crashing out again or anything. It was actually a really really good loss, but it was so painful, bro. So painful. I don't know. These past few days, and this past week, I've been getting really really close calls. Like I've been barely getting stomped out. It sucks, honestly. It sucks. It really does. But I mean, it's just how it goes. I have to learn from it. And it's the big thing, man. I just keep getting greedy, honestly. I really just think greed is my main problem. But honestly, I wasn't greedy here. I wasn't greedy here. I put my stop loss at a pretty good place, where I should be putting it at. So let's go through it real quick. As you can see, yeah, shit. Oh my god, it still makes me mad, dude. It's whatever, bro. It's whatever. We move on, right? Well, there's gonna be plenty of different trades to take. Um, but honestly, man, this one gonna kill me, bro. It's whatever though. All right, so coming in election day, election week, obviously. So entire week we're bearish. Oh, this is the Euro USD pair on Forex. And interesting thing is Euro USD is actually inverse to SPY and the ES because it's inverse to the American economy. So if the economy is doing good, if it's bullish, the Euro USD pair is going to be bearish because against the US currency. So because of that, we're bearish these entire past 2 weeks because the economy is doing good right now. So because of that, I was looking for sells and coming in on the 15-minute, we can look here. These red lines here are like the 7:30, 7-ish, the 7 a.m. to like 8:30 to 9 a.m. So this morning session, like before this morning session here where my mouse is, you can tell we're in a retracement. We're in a retracement because this whole order flow is bearish. Our weekly bias is pretty much bearish. Um, Although there was like a 4 hour for value gap here, I was kind of looking to see whether it would retrace into that area. It didn't end up doing that, and that's totally fine. So we were in a retracement, right? So I was obviously looking for sells here. Um, what is it? Like point of reversals, and we got a point of reversal here. It's better to see on the 5 minute. We can see a big candle down here, right? And what's like the things that we're looking for? A liquidity sweep. We get one right here. Obviously, it's not a major liquidity sweep. I would have liked it if we actually like hit these highs, this fair value gap, and hit this like London high here that I marked out, but didn't end up doing that. That's totally fine. That wasn't like a big confluence because of that. It didn't hit a major liquidity point. But one other thing that gave me a strong confluence that kind of made up for that is this market structure shift here. This 5 minute market structure shift takes out the short term low, takes out the short term low on the 5 minute. And if you go on the 1 minute, the short term low is being taken out here. 2 minute short term low is being taken out. Oh my goodness. I just lagged. My bad. I just lagged. My bad. I just lagged. My PC's like breaking down. So like I was saying, a bunch of short-term lows taken out. This big ass candle right here takes out all these short-term lows. That officially marks a change in state of delivery. Even better, creates a fair value gap while doing so. A 5 minute fair value gap right here doing so. All I do now is I wait for it to retrace into that area because I know it's in a bearish market flow now. So wait for that to retrace back into this area. There's also 2 minute fair value gap I marked out, 5 minute fair value gap I marked out. And so this is where I make my mistake. When I enter, I wait for it to hit the 5 minute fair value gap, which I did a really good job on, right? I wait for it to hit that, but I didn't wait for it to hit the 2 minute. You can see that I didn't wait for it to hit that 50% mark on the 2 minute. So the 50% mark is right here, and I didn't wait for it to hit that. And because of that, I was kind of impatient. I entered just before it hit that 50% mark. And because of that, obviously it kind of fills in this whole imbalance. Maybe if I waited until that 50% mark was hit, my stop loss would be a little bit higher, and maybe I wouldn't have gotten stomped out, but woulda, coulda, shoulda. Um, but yeah, that was my entry off of fair value gap, and then price does exactly what I thought it would do. Makes a move down, retraces back one more time, and then completely dumps. And then one more entry we could have entered off of was this 5 minute fair value gap here. But the thing was, like before, uh, I was kind of wary of entering off before it hits that 50% mark, so that's why I didn't have a confident entry going in. So yeah, I didn't enter off that. Took a loss, lost $50. Honestly, wasn't a terrible loss. I'm okay with it. Because I know I'm confident in myself, and I know I can make it back off of a few discipline trades or even one discipline trade. But yeah, bro. And also, I'm glad that y'all are asking me questions in the other videos. I love to help out. I love to talk to new people. But yeah, this was my trade recap. One trade taken. Oh, let me show y'all that I actually took it too. Let me show y'all here. Okay, trades. Yeah, right here. So we lost 50 bucks. We sold at 1.06202 pips. So 1.06202 pips right here. As you can see, we took that trade, lost it. It's all good though. We move on. Stay disciplined. Don't crash out. Yeah. All right. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Thank y'all for watching and God bless.